Need to cancel a line on your Cricket Wireless account? As of September 2025, you have two main options: suspending or removing the line. Suspending a line pauses billing and data usage, ideal for temporary situations like travel. Cricket now lets you suspend a line for up to 90 days at no extra cost on shared plans, and you can reactivate it later without losing the number. Removing a line permanently ends service and forfeits the number unless you port it to another carrier. Consider your needs carefully before choosing. Understand the impact on your overall plan cost and shared data pool, which may adjust when lines are removed. To cancel a line on Cricket Wireless, you have several options available. You can cancel using the Cricket Wireless app, website, or by calling 1-800-274-2538. The app and online portal offer self-service line removal, often resolving requests in under 10 minutes. For suspension, the line must be inactive for billing purposes. Be aware of potential fees. Early termination fees are capped at $50 per line for most plans if canceling before the contract ends. Deactivation fees of $10 to $20 might apply if the line isn't transferred. You can cancel within 14 days of activation for a full refund with no ETF, according to FCC guidelines. To avoid unexpected charges, ensure the line's SIM card is deactivated after removal. Always document your interactions with Cricket for dispute resolution.